Hi, I'm Andy from Thermaltake. Today we'll be discussing about the product of the Massive 23 GT grill. I mean, the Massive 23 GT notebook cooler. So as you can tell by the packaging of the box, there's features located in the front, right-hand, bottom side of the box. If you rotate it to the back, you see that there are product descriptions in 12 different languages, and there's some more detail of the products, of the specs. Okay, so now we will move to the unpackaging of the product. So as we open the product up, you will see that it comes with a little bag of a warranty card and a mini USB to USB cable. And we are here, the notebook cooler, with 2 styrofoam sides for protection. So as we take the box out, and here we have the Massive 23 GT notebook cooler or grill. So one of the features of this product is when you return it to the back, you will see that there's 5 adjustable settings that you can have for the way you want to view your notebook. And on this back of the panel, there's adjustable for the speed of the fan. And on the side, you have 2 USB and 1 mini USB in your power switch. But remember, the mini USB is to power up the product. So if you do not plug in the cable to the mini USB, this grill will not power up. So now let's put it together and see how the LED fan glows. All right, so we'll take the mini USB cable that comes in the bag and you plug it into the side of the mini USB, like so. And we will plug it into this laptop that you will not be able to see. And you'll be able to turn on and off the product. And right now it is spinning, but right now you can't see it, but it does glow in an orange reddish LED. So another feature of this product is basically you have 2 stands, right, and 2 grip pads right here that will help you keep your 10 to 17-inch gaming notebook in place while you adjust it in any position that is comfortable for you. And if you take a look at the front of this product, you'll see that the mesh grill is made out of aluminum, and it will better heat dispense the notebook. And the flow of air comes from the back and to the front. So for more product information, you can visit our website on thermaltake.com, or you can follow us on Facebook, search Thermaltake, and please click on like, or else I will not be here anymore. Thank you.